Hello, my name is Harikrishna Chiliyaru, and I'm from the Hyderabad, Telangana. I have recently completed the 45 days online internship program from eVision TechnoServe, which proved to be highly valuable experience. The course was well structured and covered essential topics such as networking, Windows administration, Linux, CCNA concept, Windows Server, Outlook configuration, and directory domain services, and visualize so many. Each and every module was explained in a simple and practical manner, making it easy to grasp even beginners who are the fresher also. The recorded sessions were particularly helpful to me as they allowed to me learn at my own pace and revisit concept whenever I needed. Uh, and next, the trainers. The trainers were knowledge and supportive, explaining every concept with a real-time examples, like they giving 1:1 mentorship also there. The program struck a perfect balance between theory and practical exposure. They teaching me like as well as theoretical and practical at the same way, which is greatly enhanced my technical confidence. It will give me more confidence to me, like have a practice my own. I mean, I do work with my own with their support. And I am pleased to share that I have recently joined Adam Brains as a system engineer with the package of 2.8 LPA. This achievement was made by eVision only, with their guidance and training. It will be very helpful to me. I achieved this success through the eVision Techno Serve. I sincerely thank eVision Techno Serve for helping me take this important step in my career. Thank you.